Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Driveway Detail. What we have for today's video is a Chevy Spark in for a full interior detail. And it's not incredibly dirty and it's a smaller car, so I get a huge break today. But before we get into it, make sure that if you're new to the channel that you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my future detailing videos. We got some work on our hands, so let's go ahead and jump right into this one. So to kick this detail off, I started off by removing all the trash, and I also went ahead and took out any of the customer's personal items that I found. Then after having all that taken care of, I jumped on to getting these carpets all vacuumed up. And while vacuuming the backseat area as well as the trunk, you'll see me utilize the lily brush to try to help get as much of this pet hair dislodged from the carpet as possible. And whether you have your own detailing business or if you just have a couple pets around the house, it's always good to have a lily brush on hand because it does a fantastic job at cutting down time when it comes to cleaning up pet hair. So if you guys would like to check this tool or anything else that I use in my videos out, I have them all linked in the description of this video. After having the carpets all vacuumed up, I can move on to shampooing them, and luckily most of the stains were actually on the floor mats, but there were however a couple stains in the driver footwell area that I went ahead and took care of as well. A couple of you guys have asked what ratio I dilute my carpet solution at, and I usually dilute around 12 to 1. However, if I get a carpet with heavier staining, I will mix up a stronger ratio at 8 to 1. And to get the solution laid onto the carpet, I just use a Scott's garden sprayer. Moving on now to getting these seats shampooed, I wasn't entirely happy with how they were turning out after just one pass. So you'll see me go in with a steamer to help get some of these stains lifted to the surface. Then I'll follow that up with a second pass with the extractor. Moving on now to getting the door panels and the dash area cleaned off. And since they weren't incredibly dirty, I just used a microfiber cloth that I dampened with some all-purpose cleaner. Then I'll agitate where needed to get these panels all cleaned off. After having the panels all cleaned off, I can move on to getting them UV protected using some Chemical Guy Silk Shine, which is going to give these plastics up to 6 weeks of protection. Up next, I'll go ahead and clean off the door jambs, and since these weren't awfully dirty, I just used some detail spray and a microfiber cloth to wipe them clean. Then, since I had a little time left on my hand with this vehicle, I just went ahead and gave the outside a basic wash as well. Then to get this detail all wrapped up, I just went ahead and cleaned off all the windows. But that's going to be it for this detailing video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And as always, enjoy the before after shots coming up. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.